In this video, we will see how to install Microsoft Edge on your Mac OS. This video is for MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac and Mini Mac. So let's get started. Open any browser and search for Microsoft Edge. Here, click on the first link, which is microsoft.com, and click on the download Edge. Accept the terms and conditions, so click on accept and download. Now it is downloading the installer file. Once it is installed, click on the installer. In this way, it will appear the window in front of you to install Microsoft Edge. Click on continue and click on install. It will now ask for your password. Enter your password and click on install software and click on close. So now it will ask you if the installer can be moved to bin. Click on move to bin. So in this way, now the Microsoft Edge is already installed on your machine. You can click on Microsoft Edge button located on your dock and you can see the welcome message from the Microsoft Edge. Now you click on the Microsoft Edge button, which is added to your dock, and you can see now it has been opened. You can search maybe google.com just to see if it is working fine. You can see now Microsoft Edge is available for you to use. If you want to add Microsoft Edge to your dock, just right click on the Microsoft Edge icon here and click on option and keep in the dock. In that way, it will be added to your dock, and from your dock you can open Edge browser anytime. In this way, you can install Microsoft Edge on your Mac OS. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.